Justin Moon for Highland Woodworking, back with some more tools for you. In this video, we're going to be talking about some indispensable stock removal tools for any shop. The Narex cabinet rasps and rifflers. These Narex hand-stitched cabinet rasps are made in the Czech Republic and feature a blade length of about 10 inches long by a little over 1 1/8 inch wide. They come in a variety of grits, ranging from coarse to fine. Hand-stitched means that the teeth are randomized in their pattern on the blank, just enough such that the cutting action yields a much smoother finish than you can achieve with machine-stamped teeth. The teeth can also be punched up close to the edge of the blank, resulting in more teeth available for cutting and letting you have cutting action right up to adjacent surfaces. You should keep the teeth of your rasp clean and clear from debris. You can use the nylon bristle edge of a file card, or if you don't have one of those, an old toothbrush will work. Narex also offers the double-sided cousin to the rasp called the Riffler. These are made in the same way with the hand-stitched teeth, and they come in different grits. But what's great about these is their profiles. Here I have the oval profile. It's curved and tapered. So this allows you to get into hard to reach areas and smooth that out. Here's the knife profile. This is really great because the teeth are all the way across the edge, the spine of the knife there. They don't seem to be on the blade very much, but if I needed to get into a curved area like this to clean up, the Riffler is really an indispensable tool. You'll find so many different uses for hand-stitched rasp and rifflers in your woodworking. From basic shaping to smoothing to all sorts of preparing surfaces for a finish. The difference in the hand-stitched rasp versus the machine-punched rasp in quality of cut and efficiency is obvious. These economical hand-stitched rasps by Narex are a joy to use, and they're extremely efficient stock removal tools that would be well suited in any shop. Check out the whole line of Narex rasps, rifflers, and rotary rasps at highlandwoodworking.com.